How to change always on display clock style after One UI 6.1 update on a Samsung S24 series. So by default, when you lock your phone and tap on the screen, you can see the always on display clock style. If you want to change the always on display clock style without any third party app or a good lock app, follow this guide. So unlock your device. Here you can see my device update with the latest software update. Tap the software update. Tap the last update. Here you can see the December 12 security last successfully update. One UI version 6.1, Android version 14. So now scroll down. Now let's see how to change the clock style on always on display. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen. Now tap the lock screen clock. Now when you select any lock screen clock style, it will automatically set to your always on display clock style in the latest One UI 6.1 update. So select the clock style from the lock screen you want to set on a always on display. Here we select this. You can also add a widget to always on display. So here we select this calendar widget. You can add your favorite clock widget, also world clock. Now tap on a done at the top right corner. Now changes apply to lock screen and also AOD. Just lock your phone and tap on a screen and you can see change the lock screen clock style, always on display clock style. So it's quite easy to change always on display clock style using the lock screen in the latest One UI 6.1. That's it. If you like it, share it.